another one of Miles' fine fuck-ups Dave has to fix. Now you can zoom in. Done. Come here now. What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing, eh? What are you doing?
Getting ready to hit it.
Why?
Because he hurt my car.
But are you going to do just a little bit of damage like he did to your car?
Yeah.
Remember, just a little bit, a little dent, and that's all. What, is this a damage report too?
Oh, that's not damage.
When a car's so damaged, it's always hard to tell if there's more damage.
It's not damage. I'll get it with corner on it.
Alrighty. He didn't get to hit your car twice.
Pardon?
He didn't get to hit your car twice.
Yeah, well, he did more damage to my car.
No, he didn't.
He did too.
Oh!
How's that one?
Okay, if he didn't fuck his steering, she hit his wheel good too.
Huh.
Oh, I think you left some evidence on the ground.
Why?
It's blue. You better go remove it. So he won't know who the culprit is.
I don't think I left anything on the ground.
What's that blue thing on the ground?
Where? Right here?
Oh, that's water. It's reflecting blue sky. Okay, from here it looked like, on the camera, it looked like,
Yeah, where are you now?
You can do any jumps?
Did, I'll do it.